Hello, I'm Vikrant. The question is, in a certain code, computer is written as RFUVQNPC. How is medicine written in the same code? The solution is, computer is written as RFUVQNPC. If you look at the order, we'll be able to observe that the first and the last letter are reversed. That is, R comes in the first position and C comes in the last position. And after that, one letter is moved forward and the order is reversed. That is, O comes here and then similarly here P. That is, the next alphabet comes after that. So we can say that in the same way for medicine, it should be E here, M should be the last word, then E comes here, so we should have F here, D, then E should be here, then I, then J should be here, then C, then D should be here, then I, then J should be here, then N, then O should be here. So the correct order is E, O, J, D, J, E, F, M. Therefore, the answer is 1. Thank you. Hello, I am Vikrant. The question is, in a certain code, substitution is written as IT, SBUS, NO, ITUT. How is distribution written in that code? The solution is, if you look at the coding of substitution, the spelling is SUBSTI, substitution, TUTION. So it is coded as ITSBUSNOITUT. So this particular coding is done with the logic that the first 6 letters of the beginning, that is SUBSTI, are reversed. That is, this is the order which is reversed in the beginning, that is ITSBUS. Similarly, when the next 6 letters, they are again reversed, that is NOITUT. So this logic will again be used with distribution. The first 6 letters, that is letters from alphabet DISTRI, they are reversed, that is IRTSID. Then the next 6 letters will be reversed, that will be NOITUB. So this is the correct order which will be getting IRTSID NOITUB. So the answer is first. Thank you. Hello, I am Vikrant. The question is, if FULFNHW is the code for cricket, then EULGH is the code for which word? The solution is, if you look at the word FULFNHW, it is the code for the word cricket, that is CRICKET. And look at the arrangement of the word. In every case, the letter is 3 letters behind. That is, C is 3 letters behind F, R is 3 letters behind U, and similar is the arrangement for all the words. So if you look the same arrangement for EULGH, it will be 3 letters behind. So it will be, first word will be B, the next word will be R, the next word will be 3 letters behind L, that is I, the next word will be D, and the next word will be E. So the similar arrangement we have done for EULGH. The answer therefore turns out to be 2, that is bride. Thank you. Hello, I am Vikrant. The question is, if in a certain language grasp is coded as BMVNK, which word would be coded as crank? The solution is, if you look at the word arrangement, grasp is coded as BMVNK. That is, every letter of the word is 5 steps ahead of the corresponding letter. That is if you look at the arrangement, G is 5 letters ahead of B. Similarly, R is 5 letters ahead of M. A is 5 letters ahead of V. So if you have to code for crank, every letter should be 5 letters ahead of a corresponding alphabet. So the arrangement that would be possible will be X, M, V, I and F. So the answer is 4th. Thank you. Hello, I am Vikrant. The question is, if Rose is coded as 6821, Chair is coded as 73456, Preach is coded as 961473, what will be the code for search? The solution is, we can write the respective codes as Rose, then we have for Chair, that is CHAI, R is already here, then we have for Preach, that is PREACH is already here. So we can write the respective code as Rose is 6821, then we have for Chair, that is 7345, and then for Preach P is 9. Now we have to search the code for search, SEARCH. We can have the respective codes as S is coded as 2, S, then E, then A, then R, then C, then H. So we have the code as 2, 1, that is SE, then A, that is 4, then we have E, SEAR, then C, then H. So these are the respective codes for search. So the answer is therefore come down to be second. Thank you.